The Olkoff, bro. What a menacing ass jit. This is Eminem and fucking Puff Daddy. Turn. What was that? I heard it.
Where are you?
I'm over here, Puff Daddy.
Where?
I got caught.
I'm coming!
Never playing this game again, bro. Never. Oh, I'm a ghost.
Oh, you're just a ghost, I guess. Hiding. I'm right here.
We need the blacks. He's behind us.
What?
Was that you?
Are you faded? You're the green nutsack.
Oh, is it so? Is it? Where is he?
Are
Is
you
he
going
only
insane?
teasing me?
Still this way.
Oh. He's right behind us.
He's on my ass. I found a tape.
Did he get you?
No. Fight.
Where are you?
Hiding.
I was about to say, don't do this, bro. Don't do this to me. What in the Florida ass outfit you got on? The evil witchcraft are you fucking doing right now?
Yep.
Turn off your
Behind me on
flashlight.
this tree.
He's right there. Save me, save me! Oh, it's fucking terrible.
This way. Nope!
Yep. I just saw him. Jeepers!
I hear it.
Why are you... Nope. Stop
This
it.
is why
Go, go, go.
I'm going.
Run! Run! Oh my god.
What?
Go.
Goddamn hooligan.
He's right there!
I hear it. It's a decoy. I ran past the thing.
Don't stare at supernatural events or I just lost my sanity.
You're having a panic attack.
Where are you?
I'm.
Yo, a schizophrenia in a game, bro.
That was
Oh
the
my
scariest
blue!
one.
Holy blue smurf. What?
What? What? In the butt.
Yo.
Yo.
Yeah.
So this is love.
So this is love.
Where though?
Yo, I like playing scary games, but I also fucking hate playing scary games. What thing?
Gimp! Right, he's on your
Got me.
ass. Yep, fuck you, dumb bitch.
Always me. It's always me. I'm going straight. Oh my god, schizophrenia blast. It's saying that like we're in the area. Oh, I found
it. Please, 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 please. Yes! We finally did one together without your ass being
my
the
God.
ghost.
Oh my god, we did it. Why is he white?
We're by this blob dick.
Got it. Yo, I just
Wow.
got so scared
Needle
that
deep throw.
I got so scared that it made me throw a nightstick, bro. Oh.
Quick. Yes, thank you, dude. Okay. I'm breaking the sigil. Yes!
Yo, we are so goated. Protect me.
I don't know where you are. I'm getting
Oh, I found it.
schizoed.
I see it. Cover me.
Ah!
Cover me, cover me, cover me.
I don't know where you are, I can't see shit.
Got it.
Yes! Oh my
Oh.
god, we're the best.
I am so tough, dog. And I naughty dusty cookie and cream.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Okay, Stevie Wonder, turn around. Oh my god. She's right behind me.
Yup.
Stun her,
That
stun
she
her,
is.
stun her.
Nope. Nope.
I'm caught.
Coming.
Get off my. Michael Jordan. I'm gonna be the fucking poo monster. Boogity boogity.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, okay, so that's what it does.
Jesus Christ. Okay. Die.
Camping for what, dog? Pooh man got yo ass.
Yeah.
This is you behind the screen, bro.
Oh,
Run of the year. Run of the year right here. I just got
Oh.
3 in a
Oh,
row. Just got 3 in a row, dog. Run of the year.
oh my god.
This has to be a run of
That
the
was actually like 5 minutes.
That was the run of the century. What in the cream monster?
Oh, it's gonna be like 5:30. Maybe 6.
Calling it 6. That was our fastest
6
run yet.
6:08. 6:08.
That's our fastest run yet.
That was so.
What?
Oh,
What?
dude,
What?
we are 4th place for the White Noise 2 speedrun.
Are you dead ass right now?
I'm dead ass.
Are you?
This way.